Siringa ngediski asiyamasoka analyst asiyamasoka analyst samahamsha wasekasi siringa ngediski sithi sinthathe ngamehlo engqondo sinibeke kwesikama.
Hi, welcome to Diski Podcast. Please like and subscribe, even ring a bell on our channel.
Welcome to the show, everyone. This is your weekly stop for the latest soccer news, stories, and big talking points from around the world. Whether you're tuning in from home, on the road, or straight from the stadium, we've got you covered. I'm your host, and today we're breaking down the matches, the moments, and the players making headlines. So sit back, relax, and let's kick off with the biggest stories in football right now.
We have been defending for too long now. It's time to take the shots and score the goal. MI Legends Club.
They shout and scream like it's more than a dream. Only one thing on their mind, that Diski Supreme. Siringa Diski, oh oh oh.
Jason. South Africans.
Siringa ngediski njengokujwayelekile kodwa ke phezu kwalama games lawo World Cup hayi after nje igame yebafana sijabule kakhulu ngokwenzekile sajabula kakhulu necoach yethu ukumamela abantu emakhaya mabakhala abantu bathi wenzana defendani ngoba leya platform isikhathi sekuyiminyaka singekho kuleya platform yokuthi siyodlala ku World Cup South Africa so yini lento esidefendayo kodwa ke siyabonga ukuthi ucoach wethu uyewasimamela wayenza lento ekhalelwa isizwe ukuthi abafana abancane bafake bakubonisa ukuthi bazoyenzani siyabonga nebackline umsawawa isebenza umsebenzi omkhulu kakhulu bazwile abanye bakhala ngomahopa kodwa masingabheka nje on average i-performance of individual players yinto soyibheka kakhulu sizothi so-analyze lama game kodwa sibe sibheke individual performance yama players wethu ukuthi ama-players wethu aperforme kanjani ezingisho ukuthi zwile bakhala ngomahopa bathi hayi umahopa bakhala ngaleya miss ablase ngayo ugoalkeeper kodwa-ke asikhohlwe ileya miss ablase ngayo ugoalkeeper bese sibheka nje overall performance kamahopa awina wonke amabhola asemoyeni lapha phezulu lapha ku front line wonke amabhola wasemoyeni bekawawina umahopa awaphushele kuma teammates wakhe nale bhola esilikorile mawungabheka ngale kule flank umahopa bekakhona lapho malikhandwa lebhola uye wajumpa wandlula amanye amaplayer walihita lebhola before liyo square lebhola liphinde limthole futhi ukuthi sekala ku central attack mase selisquare lebhola kwafana nokuthi uyalibridge ngoba uliyekile nje lafika kule ntwana uMaseko yalivala kwabhayizibhari uMaseko walivalela phakathi ugoalkeeper angana view emcacela kahle wathi walizama ibhola wathola ukuthi it's too late siyabonga abafana sinje siringa ngediski ya sikhona la eMsawawa eSoweto sikhuluma namafans wediski siringa ngediski namajita sisemzambia lana nali khoselihle khoselihle ngabe igame yebafana ungathini ungaphawula uthini ubabone kanjani abafana ikuphathe kanjani le game wena emoyeni wakho
mina bafethu igame ye South Africa yabafana engiphethe kahle engijabulise kakhulu ngoba ibafana icaleni kwayo icala ebhedi and nathi bese ngajithe ukuthi ingaze isithathe isibeke izengene ku next round ngoba iqale bad but manje isale yasijabulisa kuyi-first game amadlala ne-Czech Republic by ukuthi badraw itswe lapho bagane khona i-confident nathi itswe nathi sibone khona ukuthi at least to the second round kunama-possibilities ukuthi nathi singaze singene kuyi-second round noma best doubter nje kodwa izo ekseni ngo-2 o'clock South Africa yonke including myself bese ngivukile ngiready for ukubukela i-build up yelento yesquad until ngo-3 o'clock ngi-starting game akhona bese ngiyi-ready vele ukubuyela vele from the first half nje babonisile abafana ukuthi they really want to win this game bangijabulise from nje i-first touch yabo nje first 5 minutes they were showing ukuthi vele bafuna ukuwina le game until i-64 minutes itswe lapho vele baconverte khona igoli kwaba yi-win that one goal yiyo le yenza ukuthi sijabule South Africa even right now ngijabule inswembu to the next round forward to babona abafana ukuthi baze bangene kwi-top 16 ku-32 from now until kwi-top 16 ngoba masodlala ne-Canada we still can win with-Canada because sesine-confident ukuthi singayenza kanjalo mina ngibone kanjalo bangijabulisela abafana danki South Africa.
Hayi siyabonga diski samahamsha wasekasi Afrostani diski asemasoka analyst sinje masithanda sikhuluma ngegame ezolo yebafana bafana ukuthi ngabe wena uyibone kanjani igame yebafana bafana. Sinje masithanda.
What Mr. Newa, how are you, sir?
Sharp, yeah.
Oh, yeah, make it, yeah.
Sharp, yeah.
Hey, long time, man.
Long time, hello, Sabine.
Yeah, hey, Ratina, Nagadi game it at PSL, no the last Serele World Cup.
World Cup,
Hey, yeah, man. Hey, before Kala, I reckon who sits in Jim Rao. Game ele ya Mexico na gore qala first game ele ya rona ele we bone ne le jwang wena
na di bone fela la ne le kola fela bone ka re coach ya bone ena lo tsuwa I say people bana ba bona o ke nga ke se I don't know why asa zibo bone football South Africa we are taking nation take most of the time
then not defend
ba defender
then ya change ha se re dala na gore dala le Czech Republic then Mawubani what happened
South Korea win game
yeah
and then Mawubani khutlela mo Tonyo exercise mana dlala Mawubani Mawubani ona I don't understand because I believe why what ba etsa di ball back se kana the whole game ball coach I ba khalmela why le rata go pasana go mogale sa take
yeah like
as if di group stages so ba tla point or ba tla ga thola point to qualify
yeah like
because we needed to win yesterday
yeah got the commentator ke someone on the chat bila tshware Ngaru Williams o tshwara ball feta di players ka mogwa ya dula ba etsang di ball back tsa bona
how sheba di stats tsa teng le re leader ga ball possession ile ya Williams le batho ba bona
yeah
and Williams na le yona nto ya ba chika ba bona ba banyane ba futla ba passetsa mogao even if ba tla o
wisa kwa kopeng so when I first half we win ne re ba tshwere grand or ne tse beta vele le first half ya rona
no what's wrong ka una ba chaise ba se ba take le o ibola ngata because una nze lo block e la ba makela go mogao wena I take I think mufukeng wa solitated dali one mo number 10 here
yeah
And then number 10 yo wa monisa state of I'm crazy about what umthusa bangathi fresh legs.
So I wanna obvious. So when Mfukeng, when or Nasna Mucho passing the ball or
You know, some happy I can eat fresh legs in your room
or Tiska, Murimi, as can replace some Murimi Gamfuki.
As can replace some Gamfuki.
Na I thought koja arona ya bafana ska haya kwa ground e checka di team di dlala asport abafana babanyani badlala from whether ki Chiefs or Pirates or Sundowns. I think gore mokelelong nane I thought gore motho o checka everything or but ba badlala jwang like the player. Cause why I'm saying this name is because of how no Mfukeng anataleting hona le morimi da hona le a police then beba mahopo already those boys ke ba Pirates and you know who ba dlala jwang and ba passana jwang so definitely ha ba destroy answer ntwena answer Mfukeng a kenya morimi da so kwana tane ke bona ke ra coaching ka ro shebile di stars ha khono she
umunsiza ke nyamba ta bona kuba usana number 10 right sa defender ka defenders it
sorry a kenya mba
usana condition la striker le makgoba yuane mola o police wa sokola ka mo dane masoko nanto ngape le dipotsa mtha bona a pika sibelebe I thought ona le idea o tlo msebetsa jwa because most of the games are game la tlaileng ka first game ya defender if una ba tlo defender jona ba tla counter no tshwantse a thole motho a tshwana le sibelebe a tlo khona ho tswa ka di counters tsa teng if in the system ne nna maybe mo piketse into sibelebe
because now le nna ne ke ipotsa mo di lenyore ke same thing e ke tshongore I think you go hana sheba the game nasa shebe di player fela cause mo di teaming una nka more than 2 or 3 players no tshwanta check gore di players tsena di jela jwang bona ka o pasara cause most of dealing ke ona mo ne ke tshokera bo sibelebele okay at least yena o tletse game 1 then other players are returning without udlala lo dlala but they picked to udlala
mara tenya mabali te usa kloko because mthakwe ka we una sibumbe duwe because na bonga ba la bafana ba sa the kutsantsi bone we eme jole ka coach tse dingwe emo wes go ba push bafana ba bona ha bona ha lo coach ba tla bafana ba we still ba dutse style le assistant ya so ba sna tabs like ba ke bona ba coach tse mo ga tla ko mo ga pasana ko mo.
So definitely when now you are very ka coach sa qetile ngare sa na sa etsa ba ba oro
even if it commentators se ngata se di mabetse mola di am compliment ona ba kwala for now no now I think he was too coward we go fitness ha ba kanala
cause no lena no anetse ke check ona le batho ba baya ba reng hai ho betere and I don't understand ho betere eng
because I know the young game even though no mamela batho ba ngata ba South Africa ba interview everyone now that show to jakana literally kan so sin
ene lona Canada ne sa le
Canada yona ne tsaba gona coach ya gona be tsaba yona
athi ngobheka kwethu sibonile ukuthi besingayidla
kahle ibesodliwe Canada
Kaleba Mr. Neo. Kore no se re tletang
se di fela ba ba coach la ba bona coach e mo ntšha we tla tsaba o tla ila sebetsa.
And now the last thing ene ke re ba tlo botsa after this game o bila sheba di game tse latela
yo ke le ne go ile moya ya ke la ka wa moya
no pay
ke pay in terms of not only monna most of South Africans. It's painful because we had players that could perform finally, semi-finally. We have those who cannot players in this country.
So now you saying what you should welcome them back?
Who?
The players.
Yeah, the players I don't think it's only play with coach. Not so that's much.
Because let's not make sure they perform. I get coach at the same time they want to achieve, they want to be known. But they want to have us again your own food so we can blame them.
If you share a player police, apolisi utsamaile mo la jwa khathetse o sotlile mfana because no la isolated mo la zama o lwanela ga mago ba tlo thola dibolo ene jwa no sokola diwani wa bona
ene Canada ba matha
ka itshwanza khutlela mo ga o makela modiba ka la mo wa bona ntho tse jwa even if the plan di batla o performa ma system ya teng ne sa ba dumela I don't think so
Kaleva Mr. Neo thank you
Tjene man ke batla ho botsa tjene hore o e bone jwang game ena ya Bafana le Canada ska no sendetse ya South Korea o celebrate wa di-clip ile so o e bone jwang
Away, this is Suji Bafetu, the Chief General Bafetu, Omontagalasa, 10 Mashume, Mpatsolo Bafetu, this is saving a diski, what Bafetu at the tour, man. Alright, Fedo, on that game, Bafetu was promising because we continued to go to Spamban in Canada. Unfortunately, our goals were not partaking along with our performance. Go round 32, whereby we ended up with a dramatic late defeat. Where that's what we suffered with that one cracking goal by the Canada captain Stephen Estaquio on the 92nd minute of the game, which it synced over 65 million people of South Africa. Though our boys tried to carry the game up until Singenagoma extra time, but unfortunately so, Bashange crack goal. Lapho sisithe sizorelaxa sizomela ukuthi singene ku-extra time siphumule sirecover sibuye. We played well, we did our best. Singakhohlwa Bafethu Mbokazi, his performance was so outstanding. So yeah, Bafethu kuzamekile kodwa yesahluleka. Sihluleke sizamekile, whereas we had that hope and that spirit ebesinayo from the previous game yeGori.
so wena tjene Bona Kuja Rona yente didn't right on this match ya Canada.
Well, kule lineup lebakayifakile. I was impressed because that's one of the lineups I was looking forward to from the very onset when we started to play against Mexico. Kulapha azame khona kulapho azokhipha umfuke ngwafaka umbatha. But overall he did his best ukuthi nje Bafana, there was a lot of expectations with very intense performance. We were on our best level after all because of Masit Sapega. There was speed and power from our opponents, and that gave us a loss towards the duels because of that power. Amachita were too quicker than us, which is something we know. We're going to tiki-taka as the South African football. Besifuna na to continue that speed and play along in average power yabo, but yeah, na so far kule game lesiphuma kuyo lesidliwe kuyo where we thought we will go to round 16. Skimbe kasifakile was very impressed, very impressed.
Awe yeah kuka batho ba baya ba la ka Mokwena wa bona ska batho ba rao batho ba baya ba re first half ne scheme se proper se sa South Korea, then second half o khutlela ko scheme se le sa Mexico or ba bua maka or ba bua vara ke tse bona we bona le jwang di dinyo.
Oh well, Fede, on that part wonke umuntu ubona ngendlela yakhe, but I can tell ukuthi kule formation besiphethe against Canada is 4-3-2-1. Somehow thina as ama-support, ama-fans and all that, coach yethu is confusing. And remember ukuthi i-play yaka Mokwena, it's one of the hard roles esidlalwayo because it's one of the roles ukuthi manje kumele kube yi-engine ye-team. Yonke into esemahlomben wakhe, that pressure naye bekaya all out however he could, though there was a lot of some ama-ball backs, igap nyana phakathi where uSithole was there to at least cover as they were playing bayithula eMidland. Yes, ischeme sivele sa rotate vele. First half udlale bekwischeme simjojo, second half sa rotate sabuyela kulesa seMexico lesa besidlala ngaso, of which kusegcina sokungena abo Reiners, you understand. So yeah, asiboni ngokufana masingabantu. Kwamina nje I saw ischeme besigrand ukuthi nje i-decision making ye-coach yethu at some point inokubheda nje. Hence I was even complaining ukuthi how could he swap Mfokeng? Mfokeng was a threat after all because bekakhona ukuthi kufikwe naseboxing wafaka uMbatha. Bekungamelanga ukuthi amkhiphe at all. Either he was supposed to ukuthi aphule uMkwena out afake uMbatha or aphule uSithola out afake uMbatha. Then we carry on. So, but oh well, it is what it is. It happened. We lost the game. Though Abafana Bethu, we are proud of them. They pushed where we had high hopes. With Sophia go around 16. I am Manjige, Stephen, the captain of Canada, was nqamulela indlela yethu. We had to spark amabhasi sibuye.
Yeah, in closing there, Jenna, after South Africa losing against Canada, we will check a game after that match.
Yeah, ke shebile game match ya Brazil le Japan yesterday. Was it yesterday or the day before? where I thought Brazil will be knocked out. As Japan was attacking after they scored a goal, they packed the pass, trying to make it up a point that Brazil doesn't penetrate. But hey, you know ukuthi Brazil ibhola ilabo bafethu bayalila. Ibhola ilabo. They came back with the win of 2-1.
Ula, aye, nice. Coach Orveto igilela azange watsheka di-match tse latelang. Yeah, le nna ne ke shebile ya Brazil le Japan ya mobana. It was nice. It was a nice game. Then o bone re le yona Japan e lutse o tshwana le Bafana. Ka re le bona no so setse 1 minute le Bafana le yona 1 minute mo ba defendang teng ke mo ba korang teng. Hayi ka lebo Jenna. Thank you. Bless.
Alright, thank you bafethu. Asiqhubekeni sibheke the remaining matches up until World Cup iphela sizoqhubeka ngamagame amanye alandelayo. Asivaleni bafethu sicophe lezozo. Let's not forget to like, share, comment bafethu. Danko.
Jenna, yeah man, in closing that this news it with Mfokeng wa sign ke Belgium mo da so ka kare ko Belgium ka re ko Royal Union Saint ya wa sign Mfokeng wa bona re mfana ba mono ba ile
Akiboni, it's a 4-year contract to this impressive campaign with Orlando Pirates and his outstanding performance with Bafana. So yeah, Ntwana Vaile Leona ilobona le taste amafatshe a mfethu increase talent.
Morning, Chief. I'm good. And you, Chief? Yeah, man, Chief. I have a few questions. How did you see Bafana game, Grand? How did you see the game?
If it's not broken, why must you fix it? What the Bafana coach did, it's what this Abdul Salam did when Paris played Sundowns. We had the team that was winning games when it came Sundowns, it changed. Same with Hugo Bros. He played the game of Machina Ali, whatever that team reached 1-0 to qualify for the last 32. Coming to the last 32, Umuisakai Mokoena. Why Sazami, the tried and tested team that put him through to last 32. Because the very same Mokoena wa high. Everybody was talking, even the commentator, Babam Tetwa, Temba Chabalala, they all said, Neman, Nayakai Mokoena, Rehanu Koreti Peneti, and the more gaming a Netranse Akene as a sub, Pascal Kalale game. Kintebula Yang Squad Saruna. None of the players telling Shoka scheme with Waka goalkeeper Rowan Kaya Namukwena Waluna. So now the players telling Shori Timmy Kiaruna scheme Kisaka. Who started with why coach Asazami player telling. So the coach caused us a game by changing the team that have put him through to last 32.
So Chief, Coach Handla Weber, you saying Koja or Costida because Oshaka the favoritism, right? Because already Vereska how Chora sorry scheme se re wineng ka sona ke sona ne tshwantse a qhubeke ka sona, but we just find out gore ha ba tlo utlwa difene o itse a ne ba utlwa difene le batho gore ba reng o tla etsa scheme sa hae sa se batlang, so which is ke sona scheme se sa di-favoritism. Then as always so mbone a performa jwang diding ena Mbokazi, because ke bone le Mofokeng yena ke batla o nkae few diding ena, few things tse re lena o di bone ka yena da, so ka Mofokeng le Mbokazi ya Makgopa bo Apolisi or Grand wena no e bona ele proper that formation ya bona da, so because usually nna ke bone hore Canada ne re tshwere Grand. So nna ke batla ho tseba hore wena Grand o ba bone jwang bafana ba bo Makgopa bo Apolisi bo Mofokeng.
A re tlohele o individualize the player. The team played for us to qualify to last 32. It is because of the teamwork. Teamwork, it means if we are all working together, ra sebelana, ra hlokomelana. So which is what the boys did for them to qualify for the last 32. So if you talk of Mbokazi, you're talking about a class. The teams are looking for him and thing. Coming to Mofokeng, the small boy, is the talk of the township or now the coach and so he was in coach Ronelli at on Santuanil. Kaba close into an life game time, second half I fed the last 10-15 minutes about the so Nera Gile Makulale. So what happened is that by Lebarishaka mistake Yaruna, and it's one woman we are a favorite high, Eling Mukwina. So the thing that is killing our football more, the coach at and the favoritism more the playing Zarona. And they were divided by Shimani. Into Temba Naibu Malobari, they are in for it, but there are those players who are vocal, but the coach are the Pirino, Utobon. So taking that into Kenya, we Butori. Did you ever had a chance as players or Ripu Kaburuna Samameli coach, or did my players kill players is their job? Or by Tebe, Babu Kabubon, or no, I only saw coach Aban Ari Million Kotukarit in Taruna, so. So given unto a given winner. Even if we can individualize the players or what, but Mbokazi was a class boss. And I'm trying things again of owner. I entered thing on. Yena table home when Ohio. Nara one or night on Navata. So again take it on to Naga. Don't Gilenki coach. The coach cost us a game. Go change a scheme. That's why Temba Chavalala said, if it's not broken, why fix it? So the coach cost us a game, period.
Sure, Chief. Yeah, why I'm checking the players. I'm saying this because of I know who you used to be a coach, right? You coaching people life or Grand. So my point is this: Neknalo Mona you go Prusi aya go di gaming bo Chiefs, Pirates, Sundowns. I check or Bafana Babala Jones got to pick up Bafana. So now one thing in surprising is this. The player, maybe let's say for example, the player 3 or 4 on Sundowns. And what the players already how shall the game is about okay, this player o passa ke mang sona o passa ke mang sona. Then the players my 3 or 4 or 5 go Pirates. Then let's on the players killing like bo Apolisi, bo Sibelebele, bo Mkwena, bo Mofokeng, I mean. All those players. Now laba check mo Pirates. You know okay Mofokeng mo paswa ke mang a police o etsalang ha e dlala Pirates or ba set up a jwang. So now I'm getting surprised why that thing I say use even le mo bafana because hanke a player A1 or tshwantse ba tlwaelane pele unka di players there are more than 2 more same team and those players definitely ba tlwaelane ga le ba dlala. So ke yona the thing e ne ke ipotsa ka ona gore kante yana ya a yo sheba di-game tse no etsagalang.
Really the coach, Nah, let me talk about me. Nane kina le ntho player ina le lotu le sharp. Ne kina le liso la player out here. So what is happening ka bo Hugo Bruce? Yeah, na like I've said, bom kelele ki di ball boys like. Yes sir. I mean, semo sa mo tshwantse le phisane le coach no man a re etse so it tla re spanela re ska etsa so you understand so I still maintain to say Hugo Bruce na rata taputseo and ka sheba there was a year whereby no tla Bafana ba Sundowns to the most squad team. You check all those things the important you understand so kizamoro wena yona bo Hugo Bruce ba na le favoritism e serious ha o ka sheba ha tlo win o qualify mo 32 na dlala ka Bafana ba Pirates although akiba tipwe or Pirates understand but ne sena choice o ibone combination ya bona o tlo re ka win why a sa qhubeka ka yona maloba o re kene o la 16 re ntshitswe ke coach ya rona e o santse ke buene ke a phita wa tsebo re mang a kopane le mang ba etsa dintho di etsale why a changing Tembo Wheeler why if it's not broken why fix it ke mara
Thank you, Kalebo Chief. Yeah, last thing, Jay, then we close it. Chief, after Bafana Baluza, what happened? Did you check another games or Vetuakil?
So after Bafana, the only game that I watched, which is my team that I from my childhood, Kirata, and there's a coach, Negingaya Timio, Kabakarata the system ya bona, formation, the pattern how they play. Brazil. Brazil is a pattern the coach of the Payo Imaka or contain or maintain Barki Media Move. But I like a 5 copy, 5 come round. But I have attack, only difference. But what I never get about this, next activity, next 7 to out it. Mobani, that game, China decided La Cora, Halicora, Changan, China Lily, Nagayeta to Gara, Yahuta, Brazil, Machitana Gidutilo. Bare Carretaibo, and I shall go to Brazil. I want to show to. I want to nail the set piece of fellow the 2 goals. First goal to Anile Shapa square ball out of the box but to the box. Shapa and I say out here I'm not. Second goal, the substitute guy, Bamu Pasa boxing, Harabatu, a placer, Yabatola goal 2. And then that was it. So what I'm trying to say, the only team that I watched after these games, keep Brazil, which I'm going to follow it to the finals. Brazil, that's the team boss. It was Shaka with junior mang. Into a family, into a young little. I love Brazil, and then Vanzaliti, the week she will get in the Rigratan thing. I buy it into a Ronaldo Tavaconte, into a Brazil, the player, Brazil, coach, Brazil, manager, Brazil, keep manager, Brazil, Ronaldo Tantuta Kohode. So, Kiana came a Karki Shibili and Tabisatiak. Thank you, boss.
Kalewa, Chief. I go to after game Bafana azange check a game with Vetuakil, then the following what go check Brazil le Japan. Yeah, then I make check it was a nice game. Lone bi annekiwa ka ona kere Japan iluza ampore luza and like iluza similarly le South Africa because the South Africa US one opola ka extra time ka di minute so certain je boma 1 minute ba kora goal ya lose le South Africa lona in the same day. Kaleba Chief, give thanks, bless.
Ola bafethu ola dikhoko tsa diski awe ma South Africans. I tweeted show ya tontsanyana but still it's nice when the show it tontsa ka di minutes tse baya. Let's just go and check or our fans, our followers what they are saying mo Facebook with us so mo le page la rona ya se renga ngediski. However fethu yeah we just posted something and we said what you want to say to Bafana and Hugo Bruce before the match. Then Ratola Chase Mueti are the Messi win. Then Kwanele Ntambo yena are all the best. Or Usimpuem Timande saying bangadefendi Vandag via team selection ayihlome ihlasele ucoach alahlele zonke inkemba. All the best to our national team. Then Skhumbuzo Ngwenya uthi ya no in the starting line up should have woman starting line up. Then Nhlanhla Shabalala uthi they are going to the second round by fire by force. Then Thabang Mtsingase saying nothing much but good luck boys. Then Sipho Kuka saying easy we are cruising happy boys. All abafethu. Then ngingaqedi igame mayiceda ukudlala, then I just asked them again a question ukuthi how did you see Bafana first half performance bafethu? Then ubani ocalile usibahle Mokoena ati dominating first half we should be 2 goals up. Then Zithulele Khumalo ati impressive but slow in build up. Yaya Sithole and Talet Mbatha for me they are slow. I don't know it's because of consciousness or what. Then Utepo Matume saying better. Then Sbahle Mokoena futhi yapenda till last 15 minutes we were not playing at all. Truth be told. Then Mayoyo Ngele uthi unfortunately I was sleeping. Ow. Then Nhlanhla Shabalala uthi yena I told you yazi umzini uthi siyaya ku last 16. Then Skhumbuzo Ngwenya uthi today game was a sign of how our identity should be, as it had elements of our 96 squad element which won us the AFCON. Through some of our individual players still needs to improve the decision making on certain periods or situation, and some needs to pull up their socks and lift their hands to be counted. Thank you Skhumbuzo.
Hayi asibonge siyagcizelela sithi silandele kule podcast yethu siringa ngediski asiya masuka commentator samajita wasekasi afrustani diski adlalile idiski that's why siringa ngediski. Yes ya ibungi likijane laba.
They shout and scream like it's more than a dream. Only one thing on their mind, that Disky Supreme. Siringange Disky, oh. They fight like lions on a TV show. Siringange Disky, forget the world when the whistle blows. From Soweto to Rio they go. I caramba no. Siringange Disky, that's the only truth they know. He wakes up, no kiss, just a score line. Did you see that red?